A small incident in the final game with explication. Hello, welcome back. In the previous video, I didn't explain you correctly. It is confusing for many viewers. I'm sorry about that. In this video, let's discuss about this small incident. At the beginning of the last set, when Truls Moregard was losing 1-3. This is the 5th game. 2 players are ready.
Left. Last ball. Think you serve this now. Because it's 0-0. Left. Last ball. Think you serve this now. Because it's 0-0. Left. Last ball. Think you serve this now. Because it's 0-0.
The umpire said, "Let love all." The ball touches the net. The score is 0-0. Truls Moregard complained about the service of Wang Chuqin. Maybe he said, "Why do you call this service now? It is 0-0. I think that maybe Truls Moregard complained that he couldn't see the contact point of Wang Chuqin. It is a common problem of the match between the lefty player and the righty player. It is very hard for each other to see the serve. Let's see the slow motion again. What do you think?
Still questioning the service here, Moregard. Still questioning the service here, Moregard.
The commentator said, "Still questioning the service here, Moregard."
This you need to know, referee. This is what happened.
Please play. Love all.
The umpire said, "Please play, love all, 0-0. Moregard seemed to be not happy. At the same time, when looking at the slow motion, some players said that if you want to get an idea of the fault serve, the ball is barely visible when it hits the racket Wang Chuqin. For Moregard, who is more on the left, it is even more complicated. And when Wang meets 2 points, he only has to move his head a little further. The rules say that it is up to the server to ensure that there is no possible doubt. No part of the body should screen between the ball and the thrower from the moment it is thrown. What is your opinion?